Hey, Moov is doing another cleanup. Hey, Brian, what you doing?
Selling a house.
You don't look like you're selling a house.
Yeah, well, it's a probate listing. Sometimes administrators need help. They need to get this car out of the driveway. It was his sister's, and they need to get it over to Carvana so they can get paid. And elderly guy, so instead of having them pay a couple $100 for a towing company while we're here cleaning out the house, figured I would change the tire for him. So yeah, real estate's not always pretty. Anyway, aren't you supposed to be cleaning out the house?
I don't know what you're talking about.
See you.